Well, first tonight, scientists in the East Midlands have developed a face mask that they hope will be able to detect coronavirus in a matter of hours. The invention is a spin-off from nearly 20 years of work developing masks for diagnosing TB.
Researchers say the test has huge potential. It's quick, cheap, and they hope it may eventually be used by people to collect their own samples at home. Our health correspondent Rob Sissons reports.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
You need to wear it for about half an hour now.
It looks like any other face mask, but this is different. It's a testing kit. And here at the University of Leicester, they're working to see if it can detect coronavirus.
The test is really detecting any microbes that you breathe out, that you just exhale. So there's the possibility of recognising people who are more or less infectious by this sampling test.
It's these tiny strips that make a big difference, capturing a sample, possibly before the onset of symptoms.
Yeah, it's very easy. Assembling the mask takes a couple of minutes and processing takes between 30 minutes to 1 hour.
The masks are cheap, easy to make and assemble, and the results can be ready in a few hours. Well, this mask test was developed in response to a big outbreak of TB at a school in Leicester in 2001, so they've been working on it for years. They're keen to see what can be achieved in response to coronavirus.
Clearly, the longer you take the test, the more sensitive it is, but our experience with tuberculosis is that we have sampled people who have no symptoms and we've detected the bacterium in that case. We've also looked at people with symptoms in whom no other test would have detected that they had TB and found some 6 weeks before other evidence was available that they were positive by the mask. We don't know whether everybody goes on to get symptoms or not. There may be people who only have asymptomatic infections.
In South Korea, thousands of people are getting drive-through swab tests. Similar tests are ready in London, but the advantages of the mask could see its rapid development as an alternative. Rob Sissons, BBC East Midlands Today, Leicester.